Be doing a quick little mail because I got a few gifts off this girl XX Grey Stars XX. Make sure to go follow her because she is so nice. She gave me a few gifts. Now, hopefully they're not starter gifts like the noob ones, but sorry, no offense, noobs. I was a noob once. Anyway, kind of still. Well, no, not really. Anyway, so we're going to be opening some gifts. Don't mind the noise in the background. That's just my cousins over. So she's here with me, so don't mind her. Okay, so we're gonna see what gifts. Ooh, she gave me 5. Let's just start, I guess. This is what's on my wish. So let's start with the first one. Let's go. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. These are the Diamond Pack shoes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe I just got Diamond Pack shoes. So guys, by the way, I already have these shoes, I think. But oh my god, thank you so much. Like, thank you so much for giving me the Diamond Pack shoes. I'm just like, oh my god, this is so good. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys. If you give me gifts, I love all your gifts, even if they're like the starter ones. I don't care. I just thank you so much for even taking your time to give me a gift. I don't know why the mouse is going crazy. Like, thank you so much for people who give me gifts because I do really appreciate it. So yes, I really do appreciate it, guys. So guys, I'm going to be wearing everything I get. So let's just wear these. There we go. And thank you so much, XX for giving me these. Like, thank you so much. Let's open up the next one. Oh my god. No. 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 Oh my god, I'm texting her right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thanks so much. OMG. Oh god. OMG. Love you. I can't spell. Love you. There. I sent that to her. Oh my god. Thank you so. Oh my god. I can't believe I got a drip top. I am wearing this right now. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, thank you so much, XX Grey Stars. Like, oh my god, guys, please go follow her. Like, seriously. Let's just open this one. It's glitching. Can you just open, please? Click, 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 click. So guys, I don't know what's going on with this one. Oh! Oh my god, guys, this is a super rare hair. Oh my god, she is on fire. What? Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god, she's giving me like so much rares and all. Like, oh my god, like how much? The drip top, seriously, did not have to do that. That's so much money. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm definitely wearing. I don't care if I look ugly. I don't care. It's just. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. Let's open this. Oh my god, guys! What the? Oh my god, we got a drip cap. Oh my god, thank you so much, XX Grey Stars XX. This is amazing. Oh my god, thank you so much, okay? Oh my god, I can't believe, like, this is the best mail time ever. Let's open this. It's the Ari hair. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. I'm literally done. I'm gonna just wear this. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I need to pause for a second. Like, I need to take everything in. Oh my god, like, thank you so much, XX Grey Stars XX. This is amazing. Best mail time ever, guys. Please go follow her. Like, oh my god, please, like, just this girl down here. Please follow her. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much, XX Grace says XX. Like, thank you so much for everything. This is actually amazing. Oh my god. So yeah. So guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe to her channel, XX Grace Stars XX. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.